Welcome, operatives, to the thrilling world of spy tech. Today, we're diving into the shadows to explore top-secret gadgets that'll blow your mind. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious enthusiast, these tools are game changers. Let's get started. Number 1 is the thermal camera with a 36-degree field of view and operating in extreme temperatures. This gadget is a must-have for any covert operation. No extra power needed. It's ready when you are. Next, we have the ultimate double agent, the Spy Charger. Charges your phone and secretly records everything. Plug it in, and it automatically starts capturing footage, storing it on an SD card. Sneaky and efficient. Need something even more discreet? Check out the Tact Icon water bottle. It's not just for hydration. It's a hidden surveillance camera with smart motion detection and Bluetooth connectivity. Stay hydrated and vigilant. And if you need to disrupt communications, the all-deal signal jammer is your weapon of choice. With multiple antennas, it's effective against modern smartphones. Silence your targets with ease. Meet the Fly Spy drone, your eyes in the sky. Equipped with HD video transmission, numerous sensors, and plate readers, it's the ultimate surveillance tool. Fly high, see all. That's a wrap on our thrilling journey into the world of spy tech. These gadgets are sure to elevate your surveillance game. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Until next time, and want to know which is the best gadget in 2025?